This is a brake safe system. Today, we're going to learn all about it. What is brake safe? Brake safe is this simple little box on your A-frame that has this big wire that comes out of it. Essentially, it is the last line of defense. If everything else separates, this cord will pop out of your van. It will then turn your brakes on your van for 15 minutes so that the van doesn't end up in the trees anywhere else, and you can go and recover it. The important thing to remember, and we'll flash this up on the screen, this does not get removed for any other reason. As soon as that pin comes out, your battery is now going flat. So it's really important to remember that pin, there is no reason for you to ever actually take that out of this brake safe system. The battery will go flat. Again, we can't stress that enough. The important thing then is, how do you attach this to your car? So legally, this is how you attach it. So a brake safe device needs to be attached somewhere on the car, solid enough that then if everything else fails, the pin will pull out. So what we would normally use is some sort of a clipping device. So we've got a carabiner clip, nice big one, put that on and attach it to the body of the car, not to your anchoring points. It's illegal with your anchoring points. Don't put it in your shackles or in your chains. Put it to the car itself. And there's other types of clips you can use to attach it. But just remember, it stays separate to all the other things attached to your car because it's that last line of defense. So that is the simple explanation of brake safe. So simple, easy. Get yourself a carabiner or a snap clip hook. Set it up for yourself. Thank you for watching. If there is something you want that involves your caravan, your camper, your hybrid with Maverick, let us know. Drop a little comment. We'll make a video for you. We will, as we've been asked, we will start to go back over some of the older model, previous battery management systems, the projector units, things like that. So keep an eye out and we'll see you soon.